Well students, topic of the video is function. In this video we discuss graphical representation of functions. First sum is fx equal to x when x greater than 0 equal to minus x when x less than 0 equal to minus 1 when x equal to 0. So let y equal to fx, so y equal to x, one function, another one is y equal to minus x, another one is y equal to minus 1. For y equal to x, here general equation of straight line is y equal to mx plus c. Here c equal to 0, so it passing through the origin, and m equals to 1, so angle is tan 45 degree. In this equation y equal to minus x, so m equal to minus 1, c equal to 0, so m equal to tan 135 degree, and this one is y equal to minus 1, this one is parallel to x axis. So required graph is this one is x axis, this one is y axis. So y equal to x when x greater than 0, so and that one is greater than, here y equal to x when x greater than 0, here x does not equal to 0, so this one is y equal to x, that angle is tan 45 degree, that is 45 degree, that angle is. And when x equal to 0, this one is minus 1, so here the point is 0 comma minus 1, and y equal to minus x when x, y equal to minus x when x less than 0, that means tan 135 degree, so bisector of second quadrant, tan 45 degrees bisector of first quadrant, tan 135 bisector of second quadrant, because 90 plus 45, this one is 90 plus 45, 135, so the line is this like this. And here x does not equal to 0, so here we cut a loop, and y equal to 0 is 1. For the limiting concept of this graph, you see that x is tending to 0 and here is also extending to 0, so limit x tends to 0, y equals to 0, but functional value f of 0 equal to minus 1, so therefore limit x tends to 0, that means limiting value exists, and that one equals to 0, but the functional value is not equals to minus that limiting value. So at x equal to 0, fx is not continuous. But it has limiting value, but due to the limiting value not equals to functional value, so this is not continuous at x equal to 0. But otherwise means at x equals to 1, the value of the function is 1, at x equals to 2, the value of function is 2. So you see that for x equals to 1, the neighborhood point of equals to 1 is left hand limit and right hand limit, both of them are same, so limiting value exists and function value also exists and equals to that value, so limiting value, function value same. So at x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 2, x equal to half, x equal to 3 by 2, for every value except 0 the function is continuous. So this function is discontinuous only when x equals to 0. Draw the graph of the function fx equal to mod x by x when x is greater not equal to 0 and equal to 0 when x equal to 0. Here you see that mod x equal to x when is greater than 0, y x greater than 0. because mod of 2 equal to 2, here 2 is positive, so 2 equal mod of 2 equal to 2, and mod of minus 3 equals to 3, and that minus 3 is less than 0, so minus of x, so here we write that minus of minus 3. And for the given function y equal to fx is equals to mod of x by x, so that one is x by x when x greater than 0, so that becomes 1, and that one is minus x by x equals to minus 1 when x less than 0. So y equal to 1 is parallel to x axis, and y equal to minus 1 is also parallel to x axis. Y equal to 1 is, and y equal to minus 1 is, for y equal to 1, x greater than 0 does not equal to 0, so here is given a cap, and y equal to minus 1 when is less than 0, so here is also a cap, and y equal to 0, and means y equal to 0 when x equal to 0, this one is at origin, so at 0 0. So for x equal to 0, this one is 0. So you see that if x, this one is left hand limit, this one is right hand limit. Left hand limit of that function is x equals to minus 1, and right hand limit of the function is x equal to, for x equal to 0, right hand limit is x equal to, right hand limit is 1. So right hand limit and left hand limit, both of them are not equal, so limiting value does not exist. If limiting value does not exist, the function is not continuous. So limit x tends to 0, mod x by x does not exist. So it is not continuous at x equal to 0, but otherwise the function is continuous, because at x equal to 1, here you see that right hand limit and left hand limit both lies in the same line, so having functional value also, and they are equal, so this is continuous. At x equal to 2, at x equal to 2.5, at x equal to 3, x equal to 5.5, here is same concept. For x equal to minus 1, this one also is a minus 1, left hand limit and right hand limit both lies in the same line, so it is also continuous. So for that function it is discontinuous only when at x equal to 0, otherwise function is continuous.